Welcome back to Brandy Circle. Today on my channel we're going to be talking about what I use on my body that makes me smell so good. Like, a lot of people have asked me, oh Brandy, what perfume are you wearing? What perfume are you wearing? Trust me, I hardly ever use perfume. I just follow like this same steps every single day and I smell like an angel. I wish you guys could smell me right now, but you can't, you know. So I'll also say I can call this video my Bath and Body Works review, because almost everything I use on my body is from Bath and Body Works. So let's get right into it. First things first, I'm going to be showing you guys my body wash. So it's called the Sweet Pea Bath and Body Works Sweet Pea Creamy Body Wash. It says it's proven to moisturize your skin after one shower, which is true. Moisturizing triple butter complex, rich creamy leather, gentle and non-drying. So what I have to say concerning this this body wash is that honestly it's amazing, because whenever I use it, like, the reason I don't like using like shower gels and stuff, because whenever I use it I don't feel clean, right? There's always this feeling on my skin. It's like I just will need to rinse more, and it's like whatever, it just doesn't feel, I don't feel that squeaky cleanliness, you know what I'm talking about, right? But like with this body wash I feel clean. Even if it's on a day that I'm just being like fast bathing and everything, I still feel clean. And then the smell is to die for. Like, it smells as pretty as it looks, guys, honestly. I mean, trust me, it's beautiful. The next thing I use, like after I clean my body, after I have my bath, after I wipe myself down with my towel, I go on with this body oil, also from Bath and Body Works. It's their argan oil body oil. It's beautiful. Oh my god, this is the holy grail of smelling nice. Your skin glows, and you also, you see guys, I bought this like a few days ago and it's already here. I poured this thing on my body. Like, let me show you what it looks like, how it works. So it's just like regular oil, and you make sure you like rub it well into. Oh my god, you need to get it. Let me see if it has like a, yeah, it's just argan oil. That's it, argan oil. That's all to it. It smells so good. It smells so good. See how, like, it's not too shiny like baby oil, but it's, it makes you glow, guys. You do glow. So next thing I do after that is I use this vanilla bean oil. Honestly, I just started using this whipped shimmer body cream. I just started using it. This is my go-to body cream now. I don't think I can use anything else. So it comes out like whipped cream. So guys, watch this. So this is how it comes out, and let me show you. It has like glitters in it. It's so shimmery, and little goes a long way. Little is like, less is more with this, right? I just use that much to show you guys, but I'll never actually use this much regularly. Like, you actually glow. Like, look at this. Look at my skin, guys. Look at it. Compare this to this. This is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see like the shimmers. Hopefully you can, but look at that. Look. Sometimes I use this under my makeup as well. Like before I put any makeup on, I just rub my entire face with this. It's beautiful and it smells like oh my god, it smells amazing. This is my third step, don't forget, third step. And honestly, I never ever go for that like harsh smell. I love the soft smell of like flowers, just soft smell. I don't like harsh scents. I don't like it, mainly because like some scents just give me like I feel my nose just starts itching when I smell like harsh perfumes. So that's why I personally go for softer, more feminine scents. So next, after that, okay, this is beautiful. I don't want to stop rubbing my skin. But next, these are my like pocket sprays. I put them in my bag all the time. No matter where I'm going to, I always have these. So this is, and I always use these flavors, right? This is the warm vanilla sugar. This thing smells like, let me see, my hand is slippery. Okay, this, yeah. Oh, it smells like vanilla and sugar actually just mixed together. It smells like French vanilla ice cream. Imagine smelling like French vanilla ice cream every single day. And honestly, the smell actually holds. Like, it's not, I've used some like fragrances that, okay, the first 5 minutes, that's it. The smell actually holds. I just have to use little, and for the entire day I'm still gonna be smelling nice. I get compliments all the time. Oh, what perfume do you use? I can't start explaining to people that it's not just my perfume, guys. It's the steps I take every day. It's not easy. That's why I'm just making this video for people that care. It smells good. And next I'm going to use is my 1000 Wishes, also a body mist. This one, it smells really good as well. Honestly, I prefer the vanilla one, but this one smells really good as well. This one has like a stronger smell to it, definitely. It's a stronger scent to it. It smells stronger. And then finally, after I do all of that, I wish you guys could smell my hair right now. It smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my god. Last but not least, I take this fine fragrance mist. I just got a new bottle recently, so that's why it's still full. In black. It's beautiful. I always get this particular one. It is amazing. Okay, so I'll usually put this on like my outfit, whatever I'm wearing, but like just cause this, yeah, just put it on your outfit, you know. Oh my god, I'm done. I smell so good. I smell so good. Oh my god, Bath and Body Works is the holy grail of smelling good. Not just your body, your house. They have like scented candles for your house, from their hand sanitizers to their hand washes. It smells awesome. I don't know how they do it. Everything just smells great. Oh my god. There's also this this mist I think you guys should try out. It's called the Japanese Cherry Blossom. It smells so good. So good. I just don't have it here right now, but instead of this 1000 Wishes, I'll actually usually go for the Japanese Cherry Blossom. It smells amazing. I don't know how they get that, how they do that, but guys, it does. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Help me get a lot more subscribers. Help me get to 500 subscribers by the time you watch this video, because YouTube is doing this demonetization thing. I need your help to get 1000 subscribers. Help me, guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends, all your family members. I love you.